Need to open RAR files but not sure how to get WinRAR? In this quick video, I will show you the safe, official and free way to download and install WinRAR on both Windows 11 and Mac operating system in just a couple of minutes. So let's get started. First, on Windows, open up your browser, go to official site win-rar.com, click the download WinRAR. Choose the version for your system, select the architecture and download it for your Windows 11 and then run the setup file. Follow the on-screen steps and you are done. If you need it on your Mac, from the same website page, just change the platform type to Mac. Go ahead and download your required file and install it. Now you wanna know how to remove it? On your Windows computer, go to Add or Remove program and then just uninstall it from your control panel. On Mac, drag it from application to the trash. That's it about today's quick video and don't forget to subscribe ITBK. Thank you for watching.